YouTube, Dub TV back with another video for the Tahoe. I'm gonna be replacing the bottom fog lights today. A company had reached out to me and wanted me to test out some fog lights. So we're gonna go ahead and put them things on. That's the fit for Chevy models right there and whatnot. They came well packaged. Came within another box. The box had padding in there. Real good packaging to ensure that when you get your package, it doesn't break. These look super dope. Got the LED bar. It just looks super cool. But like I said, a company had reached out to me to test them out, so we're gonna go ahead and throw them on and see how they look. The link will be in the description. The link will be in the description. But yeah, let's start by taking the old ones out. And yeah, so I'm gonna get up under the car, and once I'm under there, I'll show you what we need to take off to put the new boys in. Okay, so when you're under the car, you got two bolts that you need to remove. Those two right there. It's two of them. I believe they're 10 millimeters. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those two bolts. Once those two bolts are removed, 1 and 2, once those two are removed, this whole light housing, it comes out. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out, and I'll be right back once I take those out. So we've removed the fog light. I said two 10 millimeter bolts. Two 10 millimeter bolts. That's the old fog light. 10 millimeter socket. Ratchet is all you need. Not too many tools. So now that we got it out, I started with the left. I'm gonna take the left one, which is this one right here, and it'll tell you right there, left, LH. And then this one should be, the right side, see? So it indicates and it tells you which one goes where. So we're gonna start with this left one. Go ahead and put that in. The harness is a plug and play harness, which is super dope. Don't have to do no extra wiring or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in and put the 10 millimeters back, and we'll see how it looks once we have this one in. Okay, so I have the new light in, the new fog light. Put the two 10 millimeter bolts back. Now all that's left to do is plug this up. The car from the harness from the car, plug this up into the harness from the lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show y'all what it looks like from the front. So any of the extra play that you have in the wire, you might want to zip tie it or something like that, just to keep all the extra wire out the way. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and wrap the harness around this little control arm part. Just wrap it around and plug that in. I'll be right back. Okay, so the fog light's in. The left side's all in, ready to go. All that's left to do on this is just pull off that plastic. Bam. Now they look like something. So we got one more to do. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this side of it in. I'm not gonna show you the same way you do it on one side, you do on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in and show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Dub TV. So we got both of the fog lights in. They look pretty cool. So they look with them off. I'm in the garage right now, so I'll show you guys what it looks like when I turn them on. right here, you can see that they already lit up the front door and all that good stuff. But that's how they look when they're on. I think they look pretty dope. Can't wait to see them at night. Probably keep my headlights off and ride around with them, see how they look. But for the most part, I think they look pretty decent. Once I upgrade my headlights again, because somebody was stole them from me, I think it'll really look that much better. Anytime you upgrade your lights on your car, your lighting system inside out, I think it just don't matter what year the car is. When you upgrade your lights, your car always looks better for some reason. But yeah, they look pretty dope right now. Look pretty dope in the daytime. Would I buy again? Yes. The only thing I probably will recommend is like something small, like putting some zip ties in the box, so you know you don't have to make that extra stop to the store to get, you know, more parts for it and whatnot. But yeah, I think they look pretty dope. Have rear-ended somebody, my bumper's a little dented, but fix that. That's another video for another day. This is all about the lights. They look dope. So yeah, like I said, link will be in the description for these lights. That's, you know, what the box looks like. But yeah, Dub TV signing off. LED fog lights on a 2005 Chevy Tahoe. If this video helps you in any way, you could like, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Even if you don't, it's all love still. But yeah, Dub TV tapping in, gone. So this is how it looks at night. So right now I got all the lights off. So I'm gonna turn the fog lights on. That's with the fog lights. And then that's with the headlights. You can really see the difference. Headlights off, fog lights off.